we managed to buy our own very brand new car 2025. We are so excited, guys.
YouTube, what's good, YouTube? This is boy Press _ dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Understand? If it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand, guys? I don't gonna choose guys. Inini jini one muna anopisa. Jini one blogger anopisa. Noya shakari nema updates anopisa asina kuyane wangu. You understand? As we all know, Nyathi family yakaba from grace to grace, from grass to grace, from dust to ameno yakaveko. But here, guys. Makorokoto to Nyathi family waba kupindira gari sinyama, you understand? Waba kupindira mota zinyowani. Abasati va reveal kuti imota ipi so far. Basema onero aneta ikuradza kuti I Toyota Fortuner, and this car is a brand new car from the box, you understand? Imota nyowani. Pa dashboard yokuradza kuti ine 23 km chete dzayafamba so far. Vanoziva zvemota, vanoziva mileage, vanoziva kuti mota ine 23 km imota idzva. Zvichireva kuti kubva izvaro mota yakangofamba 23 km dzekungotestwa chete. Congratulations to Nyathi family, guys. Vanotenga mota yavo ku Toyota. And here, guys, let me show you a following video. Vachinotenga chi vari pakaso ipapo. And then I will show you zvakare mota yacho nakara vachinge vachiratidza. So if it's the first time, like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? Let's go. Let's get into it.
Oh na na na, Sky blinks ya no, yeah. Nyathi, doda kuita newe, zvinhu zvakawanda, mambure ndinopinda newe, usandiramba, kugara ndichiita newe, kakawanda.
Hello guys, how are you doing, guys? As you all know, guys, Nyathi family comes from humble beginnings. Guys, apana singazvizivi kuti past 10 months ago we were living in a shack, kana tichiti a shack tikuti mumukuku. Life yakaoma, tichitambudzika, tichibharura hembe, tichitengera mwana manapkins, tichitengesa ma-eyes, mafriziti, tichienda tichitsvaga mapiece job pamwe pacho tichidzingwa semva. But Mwari hawasi benzi, Mwari ndiwe munhu wese, Mwari ndimwari weminana, ndimwari wezvishamiso. Toda kungotenda, guys, kuti today we managed to buy our own very brand new car 2025. We are so excited, guys.
Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? Congratulations to yellow guys. New whip. You understand? Yes, anyways, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? I love you guys. Road to 7,000 subscribers. Let's go, let's get it.